How to make 384 euros online in just 20 minutes? Pay close attention because in this video I'll show you how I turned 1,000 euros into more than 14,000 in just 2 months. Even better than that, you can even watch me make 384 euros in front of your very eyes in just a matter of minutes. And of course, I'll show you the exact method I use, which you can use today to make hundreds of euros a day. So what is it? It's an e-commerce strategy, but we will mainly focus on binary options. Contrary to popular belief, binary options are very easy to understand and to use. It's about forecasting if currency's price, such as euro, dollar, and yen, will go up or down. Also works for stocks, stock indexes, and commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and others. What's peculiar about options is that any position opened will close automatically after a period from 5 to 30 minutes, meaning operations are very fast. When time runs out, if you don't miss your forecast, you can make between 175% and 190%. The method I use is very simple. To follow short-term trends, I use M5 graphs. What are M5 graphs? They're graphs where each bar represents 5 minutes, and I'll give you real-time graphs, which will help us open positions following the correct trend so we can make money out of binary options. So here we have a bullish trend, a bearish trend, and a neutral trend. If the trend follows your forecast, your winning probabilities will increase. We'll base on this to make money with binary options. Now, let's practice. Now I'll show you how you can make hundreds of euros a day with binary options, applying everything you've learned in the last few minutes. To operate with binary options, you can choose any available platform. I personally use Empire Option because it's one of the most reliable ones. So click the link below this video to enter the site. Once you're at Empire Option, you can quickly open an account and be registered in less than 5 minutes. I'm obviously already connected, and as you can see, my account balance is over 14,000 euros. I want you to know I started just 2 months ago with 1,000 euros in my account, which means an over 1,400% performance in just 2 months. As you can see, it's really good. I'll briefly show you what I do every day to earn this kind of money. When you're on the platform and register, click on Binary Options or just click the logo to go back to the trading area. I'll quickly explain what we're seeing. Here you have all the assets you can use to operate: stocks, currencies, indexes, and commodities, or products such as gold, silver, oil, and others. At the trading area, you must pick an asset. Choose the expiration time and also a trend, upwards or downwards. This is what makes binary options so particular. You have to forecast the trend a certain position will follow, whether it is bullish or bearish, within a period of 5 to 30 minutes, meaning they're really quick operations. So now I'll perform my own operations following the trend method I explained before, so you can watch the exact way to make money online with binary options. Let's do it now. What we're going to do is we'll go back to our site, and as you see in the article I placed below the graph examples, there's a link to recognize graph trends available in real time. Click on it and a new page will open, which might take up to 1 minute to load, since it has all real-time graphs we'll use to look for trends. I'll wait for a second to load, and then we'll see how to identify trends in these graphs, since we'll use them to open positions straight in the platform. Alright, let's begin. Let's take oil for example. We can see it clearly has a bullish trend. So I go back to the platform, choose the asset oil, and then I choose the call option, which means an upward trend for a €200 value. We can see here that if the trade is successful, our profit will be €340. Click and apply, then approve. The position opens and will stay visible in our sidebar while it's active. I go back to trend graphs and see the same behavior for silver, a good bullish trend. So I go back to the platform, choose silver, and same as before, I click call and place €200. Apply and approve. The option goes to the sidebar too. I go back to my graphs and see a clear bullish trend for Euro-American dollar trade. I return to the platform, choose currencies, Euro USD, choose call, and invest €200. I return to the graphs. There isn't a well-defined trend here, so I'll avoid it. But the dollar-yen has a clear bullish trend, so I'll take advantage of that. In USD/JPY, I clicked on the platform, aiming upwards, so I choose call and invest €200. Then apply. The option goes to the sidebar too. I go back to the graphs once more and witness a bearish trend in the last few minutes for Australian dollar, American dollar, so I go back to the platform, choose AUD/USD with a downward trend, meaning put, whoops, I forgot to add the amount to invest. So I invest €200 and click on Apply. I don't want to open too many positions since we've already seized the most well-defined trends, and it isn't necessary to take further risks with others. I'll now pause the video, pour some coffee, and resume recording when all positions close to see if I made any money. So we're back in the platform. As we can see, all our positions are now closed and the positive account balance indicates we've been successful. Let's go to the page where our positions results are and we'll see which are the final prices and profits. In this section, we have open and already expired positions. We'll only focus on expired, but if you have any open positions and want to follow up their progress, just click on them and you'll see them. We won the first trade we made on oil. We said its price was going to go up and we succeeded. Therefore, we have a €340 profit. The same happened with silver, and we won. Our dollar-yen was unsuccessful since the price didn't go up at the expiry time. We were successful in our Australian dollars versus dollar and also won the bearish euro-dollar forecast. In summary, of the 5 positions we've opened, 4 of them were successful and 1 was incorrect. You must know that it's absolutely normal to lose some positions. Any operator will tell you that absolute victory is impossible. The purpose of this trend-following technique is to win more than we lose. Therefore, have a positive balance by the end of the day. As you can see, my account balance is now at 15,145 euros, while I started at 14,761 at the beginning of the session. This means I got a 384 euro profit in just 30 minutes. So now you see, these benefits are real using this technique. It is possible to lose some positions, but the main goal is not to stick to a single position. It's all about getting profits on average. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to follow each advice step by step. And remember, you can come back to this video as many times as you need to if you have any doubts. I wish you the best of success in all your trades, and may your bank accounts increase with all these profits.